Hello friends, just a quick video showcasing a little bit of trade ideas software here. We've got a wicked down day in the market. We can see obviously here's the SPY in a 15-minute chart. Very, very ugly looking, rejected around that 420 level on the SPY again. But we could see on a relative strength from the open scan on our proprietary stock races, I've got some gold, gold, and gold, and gold, all looking strong here from the open, right? And so, one of the things I want to showcase here is that we could trade right off the charts. And this is great if you're newer to trading, practice in our simulator. Of course, you can direct connect to IB or E-Trade with this as well. So, if we took something like GFI, something that we might want to be involved in here, and we can see it's possibly breaking out here on the daily chart as well. I could go off our charts, buy, and let's say 615 is the number that I want to be in at. There we go. I populated a limit order here. Auto populates a stop. We could always set an auto target as well. And conveniently, I can move these up and down if I wanted to change those stops around. I'm making a very seamless order entry. And for those that are, again, newer to trading, you're really looking to practice in a simulator. It's all available in our simulator, of course, for those that are more veteran traders. Direct connect to IB and E-Trade with this, right? So thanks for watching. Questions, comments, hit us at info@trade-ideas.com. Take care.